Hey, hey, again, last one. One more time.
That's okay. Medium.
Medium.
Let's go.
For you, you get a salmon, shrimp, and steam rice. You don't share.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Who's birthday today, guys? Anyone birthday? No one? Okay, today. One more time. Oh. Okay, we make big fire again.
Okay. Yeah.
Baby oil. This is the good. Baby oil. You're right.
Your egg, guys. Sliding egg. Okay, you the first one. No, but you.
That's so funny. Yeah, I think that's not going on now.
Hey. Okay, you're all ready. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Oh, wait.
Bye-bye. Oh, I heard fire.
Okay.
That's good.
Chicken. Salmon.
Yeah.
Marshmallow. You like marshmallow?
That doesn't explain what it is. I have some wood in the shower. He goes, that's pretty good. It is good. That's not a description at all. It's a...
It's kind of different. I've never heard of scallop. Scallop is like, you know what horse? I want a medium well. Oh my god. It is the word. It's this part maybe. But it's totally just out, I think it'll be maybe like mountain side. How many? You're easy. How many? The roll got last year. So I'll come to the let me go back. I think easy to that. That tastes so good. I should have it. Okay, ready for you. Feel it for you.
Okay, Mama, please.
I just really... Hello?
wild. Oh yeah. It's actually a bacon.
Everybody love baby? Yeah. She does not like this. I love them too. I love baby too. Huh? No, you know what? Marissa? She got it. Oh, Mama, you're in for a treat. Yeah. You guys are in for a treat.
Kuningan. Itu fire. Itu fire. 1, 2, 3.
Come on, drink it.
Okay, now, bye-bye.
Oh.
Okay. Sit there. Okay. Ready the last one. Ready no diet today. Okay.